I'm doing it. I'm doing it. And some of these, and some of these, and done. This fender fit actually 100% perfect with this new engine in it. Wow.
I like.
It's actually starting to look like a dirt bike. Wheels! Temporary wheels! Where the fuck's the camera? Oh. Huh. Oh. Spacers would help. What the fuck? How the hell's a bird shit in the garage? You. Come here. Okay. Don't. Oh my god. I'm in danger. Nice and easy. Firmly grasp it. Firmly grasp it. Oh my goodness. You know, when I see a bike like this, I always say, would you just look at it? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yes. We need some bars. We need some bars.